very relevant. So I'm very grateful.
Mrs. Morris.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. Man, his collection is really growing. He told me he's got over 200 radios, and this is one of the radios that he brought me so that I could show it to you. This is a Zenith AM/FM all transistor. What does that mean, all transistor? It's a Model 76J, and he got it off of Facebook Marketplace for $35. It's 9 transistor. It's about late 1960s, early 1970s vintage, and he says it works excellent, very sensitive and very selective, which is what I've found. Let's move this out of the way. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice here. And we'll slide this up, give you a close-up look at it. Tuning knob right there, on-off volume. And then down here is tone, either high or low. Down here is the band select, AM, FM, AFC, automatic frequency control. It's got a telescopic antenna, which does rotate. See that? That's what I like in a telescopic antenna. Nice carrying handle. Nice simulated wood. I don't know what that is for. Maybe an antenna, because the earbud jack is over here. No, I take that back. Oh, I didn't have my glasses on before. This is for an external power supply, so this must be the earbud jack. And there's nothing over here. I got new eyes, meaning I got rid of my cataracts, and I can see from about 5 feet to infinity, clear as a bell. But I have to use what they call readers, because they could not put the very expensive ultra lenses in, which gives you a full field of view. So I have to remember to put my readers on. Anyway, so much for that babbling. Got a little dent here, I just noticed. I didn't do that, Jeff. It was there when I took it out of the box. Let's see how it works. We're on FM. Let's go to FM AFC. See if that helps any.
It does. This way it keeps
clear as a bell.
Forefront.
Pretty good sized speaker.
Years after the authors have been on the program, and
top of the band, let's tune.
Even years after they're gone. So we love to do this because
lots of volume. Stays locked in. Lots of music. Yeah, it's picking up lots of stations. Doing good. All right, let's go to AM, and we'll probably have to rotate it this direction.
Mediterranean cruise next to.
See how much difference that makes?
Biblical landscapes, Paul and John, as he shared the gospel alongside cliffside villages.
I'll show you the antenna inside in a minute. So we went this way.
Coming up next at 11:30, it's Saving America.
That's why we are so particular about the pre-owned vehicles.
Lots of volume. Very clear. Doing good for working in my my office.
Comfortable. This is really the best.
Getting plenty of stations.
Here. Remember, they don't get paid. Te hicieron viendo a otros.
background on that storyline.
Let's just try that tone switch.
This wonderful hotel.
Haven House Inn. Well,
Yep, it does take some of the highs out.
Searching for, we hear that story a lot.
Wow. Picking up lots of, it's working really great on AM, even in my office with all the electronics. Okay, we're at the bottom of the scale. Turn that off. And then we see, I'm going to put very carefully, put the telescopic antenna down. It's about almost 3 feet, pretty long. I'll open it back here. And we'll open it up. And there's all the electronics. It uses 4 AA batteries. There's the AM antenna right there. Pretty nice, really clean, in excellent shape. Really nice. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you out of his collection. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, my camera is out of focus. See you up close here if I could get the camera to focus. Focus. There we go. Now back off a little bit. There's the front of it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.